Hey there, Allison with everydayshortcuts.com. Welcome back to my channel. So, football season, I love to make charcuterie boards and I love football, so I'm going to put the two and two together. And with the big game coming up, this is like going to be the ultimate charcuterie board, football style. It's going to have all the variety of appetizers and snacks that everyone will love at your football party. So, this is stuff that we are going to use. I mean, really, you can use anything that you think your guest will love. I'm just thinking of like different things that are really popular with football parties. So, we're going to have like chips and dip. We're going to have different kinds of dipping sauces, some pretzel bites, crackers, pretzels, and then we're going to have like a variety of like hot foods such as potato skins, wings, mozzarella sticks, jalapeno poppers, etc., etc. And then I'm also going to make a football cheese ball, which is going to be the centerpiece of this board, and then build everything around it. So, since I want this to be the ultimate football charcuterie board, you have to get like the biggest platter. Introducing the biggest charcuterie board platter I could find, and for a reasonable cost. I think this was like around $30 to $40. I don't remember the exact amount, but it's actually a food serving tray. So really any board can be a charcuterie board. I like that this board was like oval shape, so kind of resembles a football, brown in color, and that it has the edges that go up so nothing rolls off the board. So I will link this board if you would like to use this, or you can really use any board. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. Let me just show you how big this board is. It's like about 27 by 29 inches board. And I wanted it big because I wanted to fit everything on here. So let's get started in making this ultimate charcuterie board. Okay, here is the final result. I think it turned out so good. Everything on here looks delicious. And a little tip, if you want to save some time in preparing all this stuff, buy it pre-made, and then all you have to do is assemble the board. Enjoy!